Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Children, shall we start? Are you all ready? Are you ready with your pencil, eraser, sharpener, and any two colored sketch pens? Okay, you can show me thumbs up if you are ready. Okay, let me start with the date. First, let's write the date, today's date. It is 8 hyphen 6 hyphen 21, and today is day, yes, day 12. And today we will write an essay, a short essay about water. Okay, finish writing the date and the heading, day 12. Shall we start? Once you have done, you can press the thumbs up in the chat box. Today I will write slowly. You can also follow me. You can write along with me. This water, W-A-T-E-R, water. Yes, today we will write about water. So first, leaves in the next line, when we are starting, leave a little space and then start like a paragraph. As it is an essay, we will start like that, not close to the margin. Leave 2 fingers space at least. W A T E R, water. Finished. Is essential. ESSENTIAL. Yes, water is essential for FOR. Let's move on to the next line. As I don't have space, I'm moving to the next line. Next line, you can start close to the margin itself. You need not to leave the 2 finger space. For R, O-U-R, R. Water is essential for our life. L-I-F-E, life. Water is essential for our life. A-N-D, and. There, T-H-E-R-E, there is, is. Water is essential for our life, and there is. I'll move on to the third line. Finish. Shall we continue? Yes. There is no, no, life, L-I-F-E, life. Without. There is no life without. Without what? Yes, water. There is no life without water. Sorry, I lost the loop for W. There should be a loop there. I'm sorry. I'll correct it. I will write and show you on the top later. Without water on, there is no life without water on earth. EARTH, earth. Okay, water is essential for our life, and there is no life without water. Now I will change this water. I don't want to show it like this. Yes. Okay. Yes, water on earth. There is no life without water on earth. So shall we move on to the next paragraph? So there are 4 lines. Have you completed with these 4 lines, children? Shall we move on to the next one? Yes. So the same way as it is a next paragraph, we have to leave 2 finger space. Then you can start. Water, W. Sorry, V. We children, you can make it as we get water. We get water from, any guesses from where we get the water? Don't say from my tap. We get water from many sources. I don't want to overwrite that got. You can please write it as GET, get. We get water from many sources like. You can write your own options as well. You need not to put the same thing whatever I am telling here. You can write your own options. We get water from many resources like river, R-I-V-E-R, river. Then rain. Rain is the main source of water. Rain is the main source of water. So I will mention rain here. R-A-I-N. Rain. Like river, rain. You can write your own options like pond, lake. I will go for well. Yes, W-E-L-L, well. And etc. ETC means etc. There are so many options. You can even add on more to it if you want. So I am just highlighting rain because that is the main source of water. So shall we move on to the next paragraph? Can you show me thumbs up, children? Is it fine? Shall we start the next one? I'm going to the next line. So you can leave 2 finger space and then start. Get for water from main sources. You can write your own options as well. If you know few more you can add. So the next one, leave 2 finger space and then start. We use, let's see the uses of water. We use water. For this also you can write your own options. If you know something else also you can write. We use water for what can we write here? If you know anything, the uses of water, you put it in the chat box. I will add that. We use water for drinking, bathing, brushing, washing, cleaning. There are so many things. You can write your own options as well. You can put it in the chat box as well. For drinking, I will go for drinking. That is the main thing. We can't live without drinking water. Drinking, DRINKING, king, drinking. And cooking, I'll go for cooking. If you want to go for some other options also, you can go. Cooking. And what else? Cleaning. I wrote my options. I use water for drinking, cooking, cleaning. What comes in my mind, I just wrote it. So I'm going to turn the page. Shall I? Please show me thumbs up, children, so that I will move on to the next thing. If you have done, or should I wait, or shall we move on? Have you completed? So because today I want you all to travel in the same phase along with me. And the final option is there is no option, and many other. If you want to write more also, you can write. I just stopped here because I don't want to make it very lengthy, and just I wrote like many other purposes. I will go for that, many other purposes. For so many things we use water, many other purposes I wrote. If you want, you can add your options more. When I get the pics, I will go through it. I'm watching all the photos and I will make it as a video and I will post it at the weekend. I'm collecting all the pics what you sent the whole week. So next we will write, okay, we have seen so many uses, so what is the thing? So we have to save water. Let's write that as well. Save water, SAV, save water, WATER, water. You can write it in your own font, how you want to make it beautiful or something, some other style. If you know as well, you can do it, you can write it. Next, it's done. If you want to highlight it, or if you want to give some borders, if you want to underline with some colors also, you can do it. Save water. I'm just giving one more line. I'm just making the S alone little bit thicker. Okay, shall we move on to the next thing? Yes, let's do doodle for some time. It's doodling time. Yes, you can take your pencil, eraser. I just took a normal pencil. Please sharpen your pencil nicely. You have to write it very lightly. You don't press and don't give so much pressure to the pencil. Just draw a thin line, because after completing we are going to erase it. So you should not get that impression in the page. So don't put more pressure on the pencil. Just do a slight line. Just I am writing A. I'm using 4 lines. I am having 4-line notebook. In that 4 line I am using 3 sets of 4 lines. 3 sets of 4 lines I am using because I want to show it to you. I want to make a bigger one so it looks very attractive. I took 3 blocks of 4 lines. Okay, 3 sets of 4 lines. You can see here, this is my A. Write it very light, and you can see on the top you just put a dot there, and above that just draw a horizontal line, that is sleeping line. Horizontal line, a sleeping line. Yeah, the same thing. Okay, the next, just pull it down. Yes, like this. Just pull it. You need not to use the ruler or something. Just freehand drawing will be fine. If it is shaky also, no issues, it will look good only. So don't worry about the thing, don't run behind the rulers. Then put a slant line here down like this and then join here. Yes, like this. Okay, you understood what we have done? Now I'll give outline. You can go for, I have markers, I have sketches as well, so but I will go for the marker. I'll use the sketch for coloring. If you don't have marker also, no issues, you can go for outline. You can take black color sketch or something. So I'm just going to give the outline, not the inner A which we drew for the first time. That one we will erase it. Just give the outline, the outer A, those lines alone you just cover it with a marker. You have to give like a curve. Edges also, if it is not sharp as well, no issues. In the middle you can put a small triangle, just draw a small triangle. And the edges, if it is not sharp as well, it's fine, you can give a blunt edges. I'm just closing, there are few gaps, I'm just blunting it, making it little curvy thing. And put a small dash like this, extend it, draw a line. Just I want to make it little broad on one side. As you are using sketch, you need to give two times like this. You have to do it 2 times like this. I will show you how to make it. You just follow whatever I am doing. And the below thing also you can do the same thing. You can see a little difference how it works. Here my A is little bit, wherever we want to adjust we can adjust it now. Anyway, we will be giving one more lines. We will do the same again. Then I'll take the eraser. Now I will erase the A which we wrote in the beginning. Erase it nicely, don't leave any impressions in there. So that's why, anyway we are going to erase it, that's why I asked you to write it very light. So everything is clear. Clear your book. Now we got an outline. Now let's see how we have to improvise it. Just I have added one more small line here. Attach it to the down. Then now you can fill it with the same color. Whatever the outline you are using, you have to use it. Better you can go for black color. That will look good for outlines and all those stuffs. You can use black color. Marker or sketch or anything you can use. If you don't have anything also, no issues, you can use your pencil. You can make it more darker. You can press, give nice impression and make it look, and you can make it look like a sketch outline. The middle one also make it little bit broader thing. Just whenever you are coloring, you have to go in one direction. Don't go like left right. If you are going from left to right, then follow the same direction, left to right. From here and there, don't do like that. Okay, let's now, you see your A and you adjust. Just I am adjusting. See how I am adjusting it. It was little bit not good. It was not uniform. So now I will make some here and there. I will give some touch up and I will adjust it. If it is very curvy, Yes, okay, it's better now compared to before. I'm holding my mobile in one hand and I'm drawing it, so it is a little bit shaky. Please don't mind. And you can draw small circles inside this A like this. If you are not sure about your sketch, you can first circle it with this pencil, then you can give the outline. And then fill it up with the same color, the outline color and the inside color. If it is same, then it will look good. And now you have to fill in with the same black color. I'm just coloring it. How I'm coloring it, you do the same. Okay, yes, done. Now let's move on to coloring. You can choose any color on your favorite color. For outline, I will suggest black color. We want for these dots, please use black color. I suggest that color, but inside coloring you can go for any color, pink, red, green, any color, whatever the color you like. I just took red and I'm going to fill my A now. Just you have to use one stroke. If it is you are going like up to down, then use the same kind of strokes. Let me color it. You also color it, children. Let's not take more time for coloring. I hope you will be faster than me. I'll be lagging today, I think, for coloring. Yes, you can color like this so that you will not have those lines. It looks like a mess. Go for one direction. Use the sketch. If you don't have sketch, then you can go to crayon, but sketches look attractive in the doodle things, or color pencils also. Okay, let's color for some time. I'm not going to disturb you. Let's finish it quickly. So every day we will see one letter for doodling. If you want to have it as a separate session for all the letters as well, you please put it in the comment box. We will have a separate session. We will not combine it with this cursive things, cursive writing. I'll make a separate session. In one shot we can complete all the alphabets. Alphabet 26 alphabet. We will complete it in one session. If you have done, please put me thumbs up. I will also hurry up then. Finish coloring means. So before making the next video, you please let me know your suggestions whether we have to make it as a separate session or we can do one letter every day after finishing our cursive writing session. Whatever it is, you please let me know. Okay, my A is done. Here and there few dots I can see, white color gaps. I will fill it up. Okay, better. Yes, fine. So my A is done. This is my A. Let's see today when I receive the pics. I will see all your A's, how it looks. Okay, this is our doodle A, and I will put one small A next to it. Small A means a capital A only, a smaller size. How it is, how you have to do without that A. The first A in the beginning we wrote with a pencil, no? Without that also you can write it. If you practice the A twice or thrice, then you will get it. So just like this I will start like this. Yes, I just gave one smiley and I will tick one side. If you want to do this, you can do this, otherwise no issues. Okay, now just let's add few more things to this. This is how it looks from the bottom. If we see, that's why we are giving thick borders in one side, leaving the other side it will give like something embossed like that. Okay, let's do this. You can try this. You should draw here and okay, and one more. Yes, 3 is fine. Then the A says a. It is very louder, right? A says a. So that's why I added 3 lines like that. It looks like A is speaking something. Okay. Post me the pics, children. I hope you all have completed. Please post me the pics immediately. Bye. Okay, please post me the pics immediately. I hope you all have completed, so you need not to take more time. You just click a photo and WhatsApp me. Okay. Bye, children. Take care. Bye.